Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's another exciting day because I haven't been in town. But now I'm back and we went to the Netherlands for Luminosity Beach Festival. I will be doing an after movie and sharing with you guys, and I also have a couple other videos I want to create from our trip to the Netherlands. I absolutely love the Netherlands, and if you guys want more information about the Netherlands, I can create another video and explain where the Netherlands is and the Dutch people and how awesome they are and how nice they are and everything about the Netherlands. It's one enchanting place, so I definitely recommend that. But today I'm going to be doing a little haul, and this is a late video because I got this palette late, the one that everybody's been raving about, the Jawbreaker palette. I also got two minis. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with one, but I don't know when, so just watch out for that. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and let's get into this video. So when we came back from the Netherlands, Hassan and I went to International Mall. I will show you the things I got from the Morphe store. I got two more micro brow pencils in the color Chocolate Mousse. They're a little bit darker than the Java that I usually get, but they didn't have the Java, so I didn't get that. I got their eye primer, the Morphe eye primer. I've never tried this, so if you guys have tried it, let me know in the comments below. I also got a lippy from Jeffree Star Androgyny. I'm going to do a little swatch on this color. Here's the color. The color is really pretty. Don't focus on me, focus on the color. There it goes. It's a really pretty color. It smells really good too. I know I should put this on the end, but that's okay. I'm gonna put it on now. So I'm gonna be doing a look with the Jawbreaker palette. I know, like, when this palette came out, I was afraid I wasn't gonna get it, and there was a lot of them everywhere. So the only thing I ordered was two mini palettes. It's here, the two mini ones. One I have wrapped up. I'm not gonna unwrap it because one is for one of you guys. So here's the mini, and then here's the big one. Yeah, I'm a little bit crazy for buying them, but I don't regret it at all. These colors are beautiful for fall and just a gorgeous array of purples. I absolutely love purple, so I can't wait to do a look with this. The only color I had a problem with is Slice, this gold color. When I opened the package, it was like lifting out. If any of you have had this problem with this color, let me know in the comments below too. But other than that, I can't wait to play with this palette. Three other palettes by Jeffree Star. I also have I need to do another haul because I forgot I ordered the Alien palette, so I gotta try that one out too. Like, so much has happened and so much life happens, and it's just like, what is going on? So I'm going to do my eyebrows and prep my face off camera. I'll be right back. Eyebrows are done somewhat. They look good, don't you think? Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is take an eyeshadow primer, Ulta eye tinted primer, this all over my lids. I need to, like, come up with a new setup in my beauty room. My beauty room is a complete mess. I can't, it's gotten out of control, but that's what happens when you get so freaking busy, and I need to get a hold of my life, and these Lumi Blues are getting the best of me. Okay, so let's get into this beautiful Jawbreaker Jeffree Star palette. I'm not gonna swatch all the colors because by now I'm sure everybody's swatched them and seen them, and oh my gosh. Oh, look at all the colors. Look at all the pretty colors. Look how pretty they all are. Okay, so what kind of look am I gonna do? I have no idea. I could have done the random color thing. Nah, I'll probably do that another time. This is just gonna be a review of this palette and catch up on a couple of things too about what's been going on in my life. And I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Last time I talked to you, I was in Holland. I miss Holland. Okay, so the first color I'm going to go in with is probably going to be Cone, which is this color down here, because it's a more of a natural color. I'm gonna take my Morphe 504 brush to do that, a fluffy brush. Tap off the excess. So if you guys have this palette, the big Jawbreaker, or even the small one, tell me what colors you like, or tell me what colors you want me to do a look for you guys with. Just let me know in the comments below. I'm just gonna close my eyes and pick one. Okay, so I'm gonna pick Snack. I think the next color I'm gonna go in is with, I think I'm gonna go in with Suck, the orangey color. So these colors are really buildable. And I also think this palette came out with when everybody else was coming out with a lot of fun, summery, Pride Month kind of thing. The color I'm going to go in with is with Licorice, I think. Licorice is this red one on the end. And this time I'm using my BH Cosmetics 24, number 24 brush. And I'm just going underneath Suck. What do you guys think of this color? Let me know in the comments below. These colors. Okay, now I think I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm going to Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Canvas. Okay, that looks good. So I'm gonna let it dry for a minute. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with is with Lemon Drop. And then that is this golden lemony color down here. I'm gonna try this Morphe M139 brush and try it with that. Ooh, look. Very vibrant. I do like it a lot. I'm not gonna take color all the way to the corners of the eyelid of the outer V. I'm going to do probably the color, I have to do purple, so I'm gonna do the color Bite Me and see what that looks like in the corner. I'm gonna take some more of the Licorice color and just fill in the areas that I need to fill back in. I think I might also start introducing other things on my channel, such as perhaps something a little bit entirely different from beauty. Another area that I love is a lot of artwork and stuff, and maybe doing some paintings, because I love doing that too. It's very therapeutic to me. If you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comments below. Sorry about that. I was trying to fix this side and I ended up putting too much red or licorice. Purple is so pretty. Wow, I absolutely love purple, so purple is definitely my color. Then I'm going to come off camera and finish up this. So my look is completed and I finished my face off with this LA Girl Pro BB cream, and I put my Fast Face C12 Makeup Revolution concealer, my Fiji Fun blush, and my Maybelline Chromatic Master Chrome. I never remember the name of it. But I do love this palette. I can't wait to play with it some more to create more looks for you guys. And from the beginning I had androgyny on my lips, so that's also what I have on. I will be doing another giveaway coming up, so look out for that. I want to keep doing well and putting out good content for you guys, so let me know in the comments below what you guys want me to do and what kind of looks do you like. I really do like these colors. They do blend really nice. They did blend really pretty together. The purple just makes the gold pop. Purple and gold together, just two really beautiful colors together. And then the reds and the oranges too. See, this color on top, when you look at it in the palette, it's a peach, but on my skin tone it looks like a silvery color. But I knew that was gonna happen because that just happens with any of those shimmery tones. They always change different onto my skin, but that's okay. I always work with whatever I got. I do definitely recommend this palette to anyone, just for someone wanting a fun palette. And it's Jeffree Star. He has really incredible makeup. If people don't agree with who he is or whatever, I think he's a character, and I absolutely do love him. He shares the same birthday as my best friend. You and Jeffree Star have the same birthday. So yeah, that's about it for this video. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring that bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye everybody.